Well, hello, my oil friends. I'm coming to you a little bit later than I normally do, but wanted to jump on really quick and give you some more information about the promotions that doTERRA is offering for this month in June. And you may even hear a couple of my kids yelling and screaming in the background. It is summer vacation time, so we are continuing to work on that, but we are excited that June and the summertime is here. Let's talk about the promotions that we have going on this month. So I'm very excited about this. I think doTERRA, through the 9 years I've been with them, I think they've only offered a new blend maybe once or twice with the LRP program. So for the month of June, when you place a 125 point value order on your loyalty rewards program, your LRP, before the 15th of the month, you will receive a 5 ml bottle of this limited time offer of Summer Savory. Now, I wanted to tell you a little bit about this particular oil blend. Summer Savory is steam distilled. It is actually from the whole, I'm going to hopefully say this correctly, Sergia Hortensis herb. I'm not sure how to say that, but this herb is actually native to Europe, and it's chemically similar to thyme and oregano. It's very peppery and herbaceous aroma. So you'll notice a hint of like a marjoram smell, a mint, and even a thyme because of the type of the herb that is. So it's a great one to use during the summertime in the hot months. But let's teach you a little bit more about savory summer savory. So the main constituent in summer savory is carvol. I think is how you say it, carvacrol. So you can use it to support many of your organs and normal processes of the digestive system. So this is a great digestive oil to be using. So here are some ways that you can use it. So by mouth, you can add it to your mouthwash or just rinse with the summer savory oil with a little bit of water, and that actually may help promote a clean and healthy mouth. Okay. You can also use it to aid your stomach. So experimental research suggests that carvol can support the normal functions of cells in the stomach. So if you need some stomach support, that is a really good oil to use. Now, when it comes to the liver, summer savory and its main chemical constituent, carvol, can support a healthy liver function. And lastly, the gastrointestinal tract, the GI tract. Carvol is known to inhibit antioxidant actions at the cellular level, protecting cells and DNA from damage imposed by free radicals. This lends support to cells in the line of the GI tract. Okay, so it helps support healthy cells, right? And particularly from free radicals, and keeps them nice and healthy. So that's what we really love. We want them to be that. So this one definitely is a good one that you can diffuse. You can actually add to your dishes in your water and take that safely internally. All right, we're going to move on to the 15% off product of the month. And this is the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. And for me, I love this particular one. It's got the On Guard blend in it. So the wild orange clove, eucalyptus, rosemary inside to clean it. It's a concentrated cleaner. So it doesn't take a whole lot, but you're able to clean the surfaces of your house. Okay, so there's no preservatives added. It's safe and effective household cleaning product, and then it's plant-based. So how do I use this? So you can mix 2 tablespoons of the concentrated per 24 ounces of water. If you're going to use it as a bathroom cleaner, you'll mix 3 tablespoons of the concentrate per 24 ounces of water. So a little bit stronger than the multi-purpose cleaner. I have personally ran out of dish soap, and so I have used this one for dish soap. So mix 3 tablespoons of concentrated per gallon of water. And if you have really tough jobs, you can allow that concentration just right on that designated area and let it soak, and then wash as needed. You do want to avoid direct use of the concentrate on hardwood floors and natural stones. But this is amazing cleaner. I really, really love it. It is normally $14.50 wholesale price, $19.33 for retail. And this month only it is 15% off. So definitely is a good product to have on hand. And I need to reorder it this month. So it's perfect for me. All right, the last promotion that we have going on is a 200-point order promotion or more. So this comes and goes every couple months. We have a 200-point promotion where doTERRA offers a free oil if you place an order, whether that'll be a retail order, whether that's a one-time order, or whether that's a loyalty rewards order. Typically, you can do this up to 4 times. In the past, you can do 4 different 200 PV orders to get this every single time. There is a limit to that, but this is amazing. You can get 3 free oils for a 200-point order, and I've never seen them do this. This is pretty incredible. So you're going to get Balance, Past Tense, and Aroma Touch blend for free. So it doesn't matter if you're a brand new enrollment or you are a seasoned veteran, you're placing a 200-point order this month, you will get this for free. Now, let me talk a little bit about the oils in the blend so you can understand the reasoning behind why you'd want to use them. So the Aroma Touch blend is really the relaxed massage blend. Now, this is like a massage in a bottle, and it can be applied to your shoulders for a quick break in the day. You can also use it for a more traditional massage to enhance the rejuvenation of the benefits. Now, Aroma Touch Massage Blend offers many benefits. It will calm anxious feelings, relaxes your muscles, soothe irritated tissues, and comfort upset emotions. I have a lot of people who like to use this before they go to bed. Now, Aroma Touch is a powerful calming essential oil blend that you can diffuse when you need to soothe away tension and worry without getting sleepy. Now, this blend includes cypress, marjoram, peppermint, basil, grapefruit, and lavender. So let's talk about those specifically and what they do. So cypress essential oil has been shown in a new research to assist with feelings of anxiousness when applied aromatically, okay? When experienced aromatic. I was like, not applied, experienced aromatic. Ancient Egyptians also used marjoram primarily for its muscle soothing properties. Peppermint essential oil has a high concentrated of menthol, which contributes to the cooling and tingling sensation of the Aroma Touch blend. Basil is often used in massage due to the cooling sensation it provides to the skin. Now, known for its energizing aroma, grapefruit uplifts the mood. Now, sweet and ever popular lavender oil has a powdery, fresh aroma that is very relaxing. And when you inhale or apply it topically, it lessens feelings of tension and soothes away feelings of anxiousness. Now, Aroma Touch Massage Blend is effective at diffusing tension when used aromatically or applied topically. It's a perfect blend to use at the midday stress buster or just before an important event to help ease away a nervous jitter. The blend features the application of the Aroma Touch Massage blend with the technique. So if you know of the Aroma Touch technique, you'll know of the blend. It's highlighted in that particular thing, but it's popular for using this blend for hand massages. So you may want to try the Aroma Touch hand technique to kind of help with daily stress using this Aroma Touch blend. Now, typically, the Aroma Touch oil comes in a 15 ml bottle, and it is going to be wholesale price is $26, retail price is $34.67, and you'll be getting that free this month. Now, if we talk a little about Balance, Balance is known for combating anxious feelings and promoting a sense of calm and tranquility. It's a really good oil to use in times of stress and adversity. It helps promote peace and feelings of peace and instills a quiet confidence. Many of the oils in this blend have been used for thousands of years to balance emotions, ease anxious feelings, and harmonize mind and body. Now, in this blend, there is frankincense, spruce, hoewood, blue tansy, blue calamine, and osmanthus. So what do they all do in the blend? So frankincense promotes feelings of peace and contentment. It's also been used for religious ceremonies around the world. Frankincense promotes relaxation, a positive mood, and a strong mind-body connection. Now, spruce is renowned for its grounding properties, and it has a fresh woody aroma that can be used aromatically to soothe away stress and help with blocked emotions. The gentle aroma of the Asian-grown whole wood, which we're less familiar with at doTERRA because we don't have it as a single oil, but this one actually will help soothe the mind and body and introduce the feelings of peace that we want. Now, whole wood essential oil has a powerful calming and grounding properties. Now, blue tansy is distilled from the Moroccan tansy, a fragrant flower plant in the daisy family. Now, it has a soft and sweet fruity aroma that is used to uplift the mood. Blue calamine, also known as German calamine, rounds out the blend. Calm and comforting, blue calamine essential oil is helpful in easing feelings of disappointment, worry, and discouragement. And osmanthus flower eases feelings of stress. So these oils are combined to make this doTERRA balance to promote that emotional balance that we want. And so we want, whenever we're feeling frustrated or stressed out, this is an oil that's already even pre-diluted in coconut oil for easy use. It's warm, it's sweet, it's woody, and it's really a favorite one to diffuse to help with feelings of contentment. And this is a daily oil that I would recommend using because we all deal with stress, right? So this one is normally $26.67 wholesale or retail, sorry, and $20 wholesale price. And you'll get this one for free. Isn't that kind of cool? And the last one you get for free is the past tense. So past tense is really known for helping with the overwhelming feeling, the imbalanced feeling, or the burned out feeling. Anyone feel like that any time? Now, stress we know that stress can be detrimental on our health and our happiness. So past tense is a formula to help you keep the stressful feelings at bay. So when tension feelings arise, inhale the cooling aroma of past tense for instant relief. This topical roll-on blend is comprised of 9 essential oils that work together to cool and calm head and neck tension, soothe emotional upset, and calm your emotions. Past tense can be applied to the neck, shoulders, forehead, or behind your ears. Now, these are the oils that are present in it: wintergreen, peppermint, frankincense, cilantro, marjoram, lavender, Roman chamomile, basil, rosemary. Oh, that's a lot. So let's talk a little bit about why they're in there and what they do. So wintergreen essential oil is primarily composed of methyl salicylate, which is widely known for its ability to provide a cooling and soothing sensation when you apply it topically. Now, the refreshing aroma of peppermint is also cooling and invigorating to the mind and the body. Peppermint has been cultivated for its therapeutic benefits for thousands of years, and it really helps clear negative emotions and increase alertness. It's my husband's favorite oil. Now, frankincense is used to promote feelings of peace and mental focus, and we talked about frankincense as a balance. Cilantro has a fresh herbal aroma that helps calm anxious feelings and promotes emotional balance. Marjoram is distilled from a wild mountain herb native to the Mediterranean, and it's known as the joy of the mountains by the ancient Greeks. It's used extensively to provide relief from tense muscles and emotional discomfort. Lavender has a floral aroma that helps to ease feelings of tension. One of the most popular essential oils in the world, lavender is widely used for its calming and relaxing properties. We also have Roman chamomile that calms the nerve. It's used in soothing frustration, irritability, and anger. And we have basil again. Basil's used aromatically to ease mental exhaustion and promote emotional balance. Experimental research has shown that basil can ease feelings of stress when inhaled. So that's why we were talking about using it and smelling it. Rosemary clears confusion and eases tension, and it's often used with basil to ease fatigue. So if you've ever got that one, you want to grab those too. That's going to help a lot. So past tense comes in a convenient 10 milliliter roller ball for easy application anywhere, whether you're work, school, traveling, or at home. And in the summertime, we're going to do that a lot. We're going to travel, so we're going to be all over the place. So have that in your purse, in your first aid kit, in your car, but it's really simple to use. You apply it to your back, your shoulders, behind your ears to calm the emotions, ease feelings of tension in those areas. It's also really good for application before tests or presentations. You apply them on your temples and back of your neck and your bottoms of your feet. This was our gateway oil. This is the oil that helped my daughter's head tension go away within a minute and convinced me the power of essential oils. So I have a sweet place for this blend in my heart. So this is wholesale price is $18.50, retail price is $24.67. And again, you're going to get all three of those when you place a 200-point order this month. So this is just truly amazing. With that say, have a wonderful June, and we will see you later.